USB-C portable chargers, the future of charging. Title: USB-C portable chargers, the future of charging. Introduction. As technology continues to advance, the need for efficient and reliable charging solutions becomes increasingly essential. USB-C portable chargers have emerged as a future of charging, providing faster charging speeds, improved convenience, and enhanced compatibility. In this article, we will explore the benefits of USB-C portable chargers and why they are shaping the way we power our devices. 1. Faster charging speeds. USB-C portable chargers offer significantly faster charging speeds compared to their predecessors. These chargers are capable of delivering higher power outputs, allowing devices to charge at an accelerated rate. With USB-C power delivery (PD) technology, charging times are reduced, enabling us to spend less time waiting for our devices to power up. Whether it's smartphones, tablets, laptops, or other USB-C powered devices, the increased charging speed of USB-C portable chargers is a game changer. 2. Enhanced convenience. One of the key advantages of USB-C portable chargers is their convenience. USB-C is a symmetrical and reversible connector, meaning you can plug it in either way without any hassle. This eliminates the frustrations of trying to figure out the correct orientation, providing a seamless charging experience. Moreover, USB-C cables are generally thinner and more flexible, making them easier to carry around compared to bulkier proprietary cables. The versatility of USB-C portable chargers further enhances convenience. Many of these chargers come with multiple ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Additionally, some chargers offer built-in cables or interchangeable plug heads, making it possible to charge devices with different types of connectors. This versatility makes USB-C portable chargers an ideal choice for individuals who own multiple devices or frequently travel. 3. Compatibility. USB-C portable chargers are compatible with various devices, making them highly versatile. Apart from charging smartphones and tablets, USB-C chargers can power laptops, gaming consoles, and even some cameras. The standardization of USB-C across various industries ensures that more devices are adopting this technology, resulting in increased compatibility. Furthermore, USB-C chargers that support power delivery (PD) allow for intelligent power management. Through negotiation between devices and chargers, the optimal power required is delivered, ensuring safe and efficient charging. This compatibility and intelligent power delivery make USB-C portable chargers future-proof, as they can adapt to the power requirements of new devices yet to be released. Ed. 4. Charging on the go. USB-C portable chargers offer the freedom of charging devices anywhere, anytime. Whether you are traveling, camping, or simply on the go, these chargers provide a reliable source of power when access to electrical outlets is limited. Additionally, many USB-C portable chargers come equipped with advanced features such as pass-through charging. This allows you to charge the power bank itself while simultaneously charging your device. With this feature, you can ensure that your devices remain powered even when the charger is recharging itself. 5. Eco-friendly alternative. The adoption of USB-C portable chargers contributes to a more sustainable future. With USB-C chargers becoming the standard across devices, the need for multiple chargers and proprietary cables is minimized. This not only reduces electronic waste but also simplifies the charging process by eliminating clutter and the need for different charging cables for each device. USB-C portable chargers have emerged as a future of charging, providing faster charging speeds, improved convenience, and enhanced compatibility. They offer significantly faster charging speeds compared to their predecessors, delivering higher power outputs that allow devices to charge at an accelerated rate. USB-C power delivery (PD) technology reduces charging times, enabling users to spend less time waiting for their devices to power up. The convenience of USB-C portable chargers is another key advantage. USB-C connectors are symmetrical and reversible, eliminating the frustration of trying to figure out the correct orientation and providing a seamless charging experience. USB-C cables are also thinner and more flexible, making them easier to carry around compared to bulkier proprietary cables. The versatility of USB-C portable chargers enhances convenience further. Many of them come with multiple ports, allowing users to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Some chargers even offer built-in cables or interchangeable plug heads, enabling users to charge devices with different types of connectors. This versatility makes USB-C portable chargers ideal for individuals who own multiple devices or frequently travel. USB-C portable chargers are also highly compatible with various devices. They can power smartphones, tablets, laptops, gaming consoles, and even some cameras. The increased adoption of USB-C technology across multiple industries ensures that more devices are compatible with these chargers. USB-C chargers that support power delivery (PD) technology deliver optimal power through negotiation between end devices and chargers, ensuring safe and efficient charging. This compatibility and intelligent power delivery make USB-C portable chargers future-proof, able to adapt to the power requirements of EU devices yet to be released. One of the key advantages of USB-C portable chargers is the freedom they offer for charging devices on the go. Whether traveling, camping, or simply on the move, these chargers provide a reliable source of power when access to electrical outlets is limited. Some USB-C portable chargers also come equipped with features like pass-through charging, allowing users to charge the power bank in their devices simultaneously. In addition to their technological benefits, USB-C portable chargers contribute to a more sustainable future. With USB-C becoming the standard across devices, the need for multiple chargers and proper